That's the 12 mini.
Shee, and the bag has landed. What up, gang? BLK Slime back with another tech spot review. I've got a review of the iPhone 12 mini. So I've actually been waiting on this iPhone since Apple made the big news. I'm actually a really big fan of that small size, that's why I was rocking with the 2020 SE. But just for some background, I've got a 12.9 inch iPad Pro that I use for everything. So you know that pocket-friendly 12 caught my eye. So at the time of this recording, the iPhone 12 mini is currently going for $699. The 12 is $799, so just $100 more. It comes in 5 different colors: white, black, blue, product red, as well as green, which is what I went with. I did get the 128GB model for $799. They do also have the 64GB for $729 and the 256 for $879. But for real, if you're planning to take any pictures, I recommend at least the 128. Come on now, it's 2020. If you're trying to take advantage of that 4K camera on this phone, you need at least that 120. It's gonna really eat up that storage, no cap. So the first thing you notice is just how skinny this box is. I got the product red MagSafe case right here next to it, and it's literally twice as thick. So we're gonna have to see just how Apple fit the phone in here, the charger and the packaging and all that. So let's see. This box is pretty light too. So satisfying. Oh, and before I forget, guys, I'm giving this iPhone mini away, so make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and comment down below for a chance to win this iPhone. Whew, guy, I know y'all see this. Apple did it again. The nostalgia is real. This phone completely reminds me of the iPhone 5S or even the iPhone 4S with a glass back design. I know y'all remember them days. The display, now that's the first thing that caught my attention next to my 2020 SE. The mini does have a smaller body than the SE, but when you look at the display, it's like, damn. The display just looks stunning. It's everything I wish the 2020 SE was, for real. Okay, so this is that eco-friendly packaging Apple's been talking about lately. So we just get the Apple sticker, a SIM ejector tool, and the Apple charging cable. So that's pretty much everything you can expect to get with the 2020 SE. So you will require a 20-watt fast charger if you want any kind of real fast charging. I decided to go with the Anker Nanos just because of their sleek design. You can expect this to charge your device lightning fast with the cable you got in the box and with the MagSafe charger as well. So I've had this iPhone 12 for 2 weeks now, and I just gotta say, Apple really got something going here. The display just looks stunning. And next to that flat edge design Apple went with this year, the screen basically looks bezel-less. So the setup process for the 12 mini was a piece of cake. I just set it next to my iPad Pro 12.9 inch, just scan the floating hologram, and boom bada bam, my iPhone is set up. All I have to do is just set up my Face ID and that's it. This iPhone 12 mini has honestly been the perfect device. Perfect fit in the hand, especially if you have small hands like me. I've honestly noticed only one drawback coming from the 2020 SE, and that is the battery life. But as long as you guys are rocking with a 20-watt fast charger like we talked about earlier, you guys will have no issues at all. 2020 fast charging is key. Android has had it for years. So I did end up going with a MagSafe product red case, and as y'all can see, it's clean. Product red, you can never go wrong with that. Apple did give us aluminum sides on this, not the stainless steel like they did with the Pro, so a case is a must. I know y'all see that little pop-up. It's pretty clean. So tap in. So I'm giving this iPhone 12 mini out for free to one of the lucky viewers that watch this video. All you gotta do for a chance to win this iPhone is just like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below what you like about the iPhone 12 mini. Deuces.